हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल उपेक्षा जी की क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको टॉप 20 इंपोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ 24 मई 2025 के। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपोर्टेंट हेल्पफुल होने वाली है, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. Original sin President Biden's decline, its cover up, and his disastrous choice to run again was released in May 2025. Who are its authors? Correct answer is option B. J. Tapper and Alex Thompson. Question 2. Bharat Biotech International Limited BBIL, developer of several Indian vaccines, has its corporate headquarters in which city? Correct answer option B. Hyderabad. Question 3. Dr. Saroj Ghosh, who passed away in May 2025, aged 89, was famous for his pioneering work in which domain? Correct answer option B. Science, Museum, Curation and Communication. Question 4. The Karnataka Cabinet approved renaming Ramnagar district in May 2025. What is its new name? Correct answer option B. Bengaluru South District. Question 5. Dibrugarh Airport in Assam was officially renamed in May 2025 to honor which legendary personality? Correct answer option B. Dr. Bhupin Hazarika. Question 6. Which two executives were appointed Managing Director MDs of Life Insurance Corporation of India LIC with effect from 1 June 2025? Correct answer option B. Dinesh Pant and Ratnakar Patnaik. Question 7. The Reserve Bank of India approved a new name for Northeast Small Finance Bank in May 2025. What is the bank now called? Correct answer option B. Slice Small Finance Bank Limited. Question 8. India Post Payments Bank IPPB entered a strategic partnership in May 2025 with which financial services company to bid in access to loan products? Correct answer option B. Aditya Birla Capital Limited. Question 19. In May 2025, the United Kingdom signed an agreement to transfer sovereignty of which Indian Ocean archipelago to Mauritius? Correct answer option C. Chagos archipelago. Question 10. Which institution's expedition team from India successfully scaled the world's third highest peak, Kanchenjunga, in May 2025? Correct answer option B. National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports. Question 11. India's first Mahavat village was inaugurated in May 2025 at the Tepakadu Elephant Camp located in which Indian state? Correct answer option C. Tamil Nadu. Question 12. Which traditionally built ancient ship was inducted into the Indian Navy in May 2025? Correct answer option A. INSB Pondne. Question 13. Under the Amrit Bharat station scheme, how many railway stations were virtually inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in May 2025? Correct answer option A. 103. Question 14. Who won the 2025 Emilia Romagna Grand Prix held at Imola? Correct answer option A. Max Verstappen. Question 15. Which country launched the first 12 satellites of its planned three-body computing constellation to create a supercomputer network in orbit in May 2025? Correct answer option A, China. Question 16. Who won the sports challenge at Miss World 2025 held in Hyderabad? Correct answer option A, Alice Renma. Question 17. Which Nobel laureate economist was appointed as an advisor to the Telangana Rising Vision Board in May 2025? Correct answer option A, Abhijit Banerjee. Question 18. World Turtle Day is annually observed on which date? Correct answer option A, 23rd May. Question 19. What sustainable initiative did the Kamalpur Nagar Panchayat in Tripura launch in May 2025? Correct answer option A, introduced compostable PPAT bag. Question 20. In May 2025, HDFC Bank opened a new currency chest in which Tamil Nadu city? Correct answer option C, Madurai.